Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm just going to do an update on this BETTERSUB mug press. I think I did a video about a year and a half ago, unboxing it, using it, and this is just a year and a half or so update on the mug press. So I already have it plugged up. It is a little dusty. I don't use it often at all. So this is just based on a few time use. I don't use it on a daily basis or a weekly basis or even a monthly basis. So this is probably the first time I've turned it on in probably about 3 months. So as you can tell, I don't really use it. It's dusty, but I do want to give an update on the product. I got this from Amazon, so I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can check that out. If you guys want to purchase one, I'll leave that link so you guys can check it out. As you see, I flipped the switch on the side and it's going up. I believe it's already set. So the time is 1:50, it looks like, and the temp is 400. Let me make sure. Yeah, so the time is 1:50 and the temp is 400, and of course it's Fahrenheit. So in order for you to change the time and the temp, you just hit this OK button in the center, and then P1 is your temp. It's already set on 400. P2 is your time. It's set on 150 seconds. And then depending on where you live, Fahrenheit or Celsius is your P3. And then you hit OK. So right now it's just adjusting to that 400 time. As you see, it's got this red light right here that says heating. That means it is heating up to the time. Once it gets there, I believe that red light will click off. I can't remember, but we'll see what it does. So I am just going to print something quick, and I have this camper mug right here. Since it's almost summertime, so I can put that camper mug. And I'm going to see, I have an image, but I'm going to check to see if I have something else I can print on there. Let's see. So I have this image here. It says Caffeine Queen. We'll see that. Okay, that fits on there. I don't have anything printed that's camping, so I'll just go with that. So as you see, it did go up. It's going up and down. The temp is currently on 399. So we will go ahead and first I need to find my tape. So give me a second and I will find my tape and I will be right back. Okay, I have my tape. I got this on Amazon as well. I can't remember where I got the tape dispenser, but any tape dispenser will work. This is actually broke. It's missing the middle piece, but this tape came from Amazon. This particular tape can be tricky because sometimes it leaves like a residue. So it may leave a residue on here. So we don't always use this tape for that reason. It just depends on the material most of the time. I don't know how it's going to do on this particular material, but we're going to see. So I just taped the sides of the camper mug, and I'm just going to slide it inside like this. It's already adjusted to a mug. I've never did a camper mug in here, so I'm going to see actually how that works. But this is already adjusted. To adjust it, you would just move this little turn wheel right here. So I'm going to see if this is adjusted for this camper mug. I'm going to close it. Okay, I'm just going to hit the enter sign so the time will start, and we'll see how this goes. Like I said, I've never done a camper mug. I've only done actual 10 ounce, 11 ounce mugs in this particular press. I can't find the mug that I did do. In this particular heat press, but so we will just, I will be back once this gets closer to time. Okay, so the mug is almost done. Okay, so we'll just hit enter again. Again, I do not have any gloves, so I'm gonna take a shirt I have laying around carefully. It is very hot. Remove this tape. So as you see, it did leave that residue. So you do have to be careful with the tape that you purchase, because some tape can be worse than others. Like I said, sometimes it leaves it, sometimes it doesn't. So you have to be careful with the tape that you use. So this is the image that was printed out. And as you see, the coffee mug press did press it good. And that was at 400 at 150 seconds. You can go down on the temp to see how it does, but most of the time I press at 400 on most materials, depending on what it is. If it's a sensitive material, I may go down on the temp, but most of the time it's at 400. So as you do see, show you guys again, that's hot. It did do a great job pressing, minus the tape residue. So when you do buy tape, I would test it out to see if it's bad tape or not. That way you're not wasting product. So that is my 1.5 year update on this BETTERSUB heat press. As I stated before in the initial video, I'll link that down below. This is a great heat press. It's a side, it's not a stand up. So you can also do tumblers. Let me see if I have one in here. Have this Coca-Cola tumbler. You can also do this, as you see. Let's turn it off since I'm done. You would just have to press it more than one time. Of course, with this, with the neck part, you won't get that full wrap up here, but a 20 ounce or something will work in here. You just have to do numerous presses. So it is good for that. If you do not want to buy an extra tumbler press to have that around, you can use this as for multiple uses. Also, if you see right here, this little piece right here, it comes undone. I believe you can also undo this and put another attachment here as well. They do sell other attachments, so you can do that as well to work with this particular mug press. So if you guys have any questions, be sure to comment below. Make sure you guys subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some